Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, welcome to my February Saturday stitching, and the theme for February is anything red. So we are going to be working on my large koi, which is 666 red, and it's only red. And you don't do the background, you just do the cover up that blue. So yeah, I thought, why not? And somebody mentioned it, and I went, yep, we can do this. We have extra strings everywhere. Yeah, this is kind of a piece of work to get a hold of here, but we got it. And there will be a picture right over here in the corner as usual as I stitch. Let me see if I can get it leaning at least towards the light. Holy cow. Worked on this a little bit. I didn't get too much done yesterday at all. Just a few things, and I actually watched a movie on Netflix, The American President. Haven't seen that in ages. I do have a copy, but now I don't have a DVD player, so yeah. And my computer doesn't have a disc player. So, yeah. So I watched that and had my chili for dinner. And just kind of stitched off and on. I've worked on the train station a little bit and this for a while. But just basically just doing a little bit of nothing all day. Did organize a few things. Some things needed organizational skills. I had one too many kits in this front room, so had to reorganize all that. So, yay! Fun times. Heck of a way to spend your weekend, right? I'm not saying that I'm through with it, but yeah. It's almost doable now. Still need to go through some stuff, but don't know when I'll get to that. Just didn't feel like it, I guess. I just watch TV and YouTube and not TV, Netflix and YouTube. I usually don't have the TV even on unless it's football season, and I'm only watching the games on Sunday. But other than that, no. Oh goodness. So what is everybody else up to? I hope you're doing something fun, something exciting, or you're just sitting there relaxing. What are you working on that's red today? Is it a cross stitch or some other craft that y'all like? Doesn't have to be just cross stitch. It can be anything. Whatever makes you happy. Because life's too short not to do what makes you happy. You'd think I would have stitched on this more because it's only got one color to it, but yeah, we have not made any progress whatsoever on this. So maybe I'll get this out this weekend and just put in a few thousand threads, because heaven knows it needs some attention. I was looking for this, and I did find that other one. It's a dragon with, it may have the Great Wall on it. I don't know. I saw a bridge, but that was all I saw. I noticed it wasn't what I was really looking for, so here we are. But it didn't take too long to find it. It's in my top 500, that are in the front room. And that's not close to an exaggeration at all. There's probably 150 kits in this front room, but that doesn't count the ones that are actually in crates in the front room. I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 crates, 8 crates that are in the front room with cross stitch or diamond painting in them. I'm using them as tables. Get rid of this. Where it needs to go. And you're asking, where is my little koi needle minder? I went to pick it up because, you know, they're all stacked up here on the top. And the magnet came out of it again. I don't know if it was one of them, so it might not be again, but the magnet came out, so I'll have to find the E6000 glue and glue it back together. That won't take long, but it took longer to look for the E6000 glue. So, yeah. But that's where it's at. And it fixes just right, so I had to do a couple of them that way. That girl that I use for the hairpin ladies, my little girl in pink, yeah, hers came out a couple times. So, yeah. But I have not lost it, Jill. It's here. It's waiting to go to the cross-stitch hospital. But it'll get fixed. Because I love that little koi. Jill sent that to me a few years back, and I use it on some of my Chinese stuff, and love it. It's gorgeous. Don't believe we're going anywhere this weekend. So I can take 3-4 days off here and just do what I want. The weather's supposed to be nice all this weekend, but it's supposed to, well, you know, they say it's going to snow on Wednesday, so who knows? I'm not excited, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. There you go. Because, yeah. Somebody else, the person that mentioned this in the comments, they also have this. So, send me a picture of how far you are. I really want to see. This is such a pretty thing. Just love it. So, we'll have to leave it out more. And it's winter, so, yeah. It's about 6 feet long. I don't know how many. It may be 2.5 feet. Maybe more. Maybe 3 feet. This way, you know, up and down. But about 6 feet long or more. I don't remember the dimensions. I don't have the paper anymore that came with it. And it really, I don't think mine came with a picture way back when, and if I did, I haven't got a clue in the world where that picture would be. So, yay. Ouch. Yep, ouch. And trying to get it all straightened out and how it should be, I forgot to get the thimble. Because, yeah, I've been doing 14 count again. Then I was doing something at work and whacked off a piece of skin. So, yeah, it was awesome. So, I'm lucky to be able to cross-stitch this week. But this is the one I use the most, so it always takes the brunt of everything. So what's everybody else working on? Are you doing something fun, fun, fun? We need to do fun. We need to do more fun, fun stuff. Just take time for yourself so you can relax and get your... I'm taking them scissors because they're close. Let's try not to cut the canvas. That would just ruin my whole day. This is pretty thick, though. I don't think anything's going to cut through it too quickly. I'll worry about that later. I have this sideways right now, only because it's the only way. The other way, it didn't want to work. There's too much of it unfolded. Don't know what I'll have for dinner, because I'm not having that chili again. Kind of done with the chili. Do have some pork steak in there. I could have that again. I had fish the other night. So yeah, I don't know. Just can't decide. Right now nothing sounds good, but it's early. Way early. Sometimes I wake up knowing what I'm going to have for dinner, and others not so much. Keeps moving that away. My bad. So. Yay! Is it Super Bowl weekend? Or is that next weekend? Am I missing something? See, I don't watch TV, so I don't know about these things, and I really haven't seen any commercials for the Super Bowl. I got nothing. I usually just watch maybe the first half hour and see all the new commercials, and then I'm good. Yep. How about you guys? Do you watch the Super Bowl? If you do, or don't, comment below. I know the one thing I have to do today is take out the trash, because that just didn't happen yesterday at all. After I hauled in the laundry stuff, I was kind of done. Wasn't feeling really extremely strong yesterday. It's more of a couch potato day. That's okay too. I take a lot of those days. And this is an 11 count. I don't know if it comes in a 14 count, or if it, like I said, if it's even still available. You might be able to find it on AliExpress, because I know they had those other red ones that I got 2 or 3 years ago. A couple of years ago at least. Of, you know, those little ones. And they were 11 or 14 count, so. But this one is an 11 count, so it should be easier to stitch on, right? And I think I got those littler ones in 11 count and I didn't like it, so I reordered them and got them in 14 count. So yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. Alright guys, get this down underneath, because I forget I'm not working on 14 count and that thread's just not going to go very much further. So let me pull you out, and I don't believe I can show you what's done and what isn't, because it's so darn wide. So I'll just continue here, and then we got another great big huge space over here. Maybe I'll go up here and do all this little framework. I call it framework. You know, it's not solid like that. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.